So it's 5:30 in the morning. If I want coffee, it has to be black. No sugars, no creamers. I've never even drank black coffee before. Well, I think I've had a sip of it, and it tastes very disgusting. So this should be fun. And black coffee. Yeah, it's hot. I'm scared. Let's do it. Oh, damn. Tastes like dirty sink water. Somebody burnt water. So I got off work early. It's not even 10 a.m. and I can't eat for another 2 hours, like a whole 2 hours. But I can drink water. So what I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna get ready. I'm probably gonna go on my little run. Try to do a mile. Do some handle drills. And then once I break my fast, I'm either going to start cooking or I'm gonna hop into my workout. I need to get a schedule, you know what I'm saying, for sure. But you know, taking it day by day. Yeah. Alright, it's 10:15. I'm gonna do some jump rope, couple ball handling drills just to warm up before the mile. And then when I come back, that's when I start my official drills. So let's get to it. For those of you who do not know, I hate running with a burning passion. And I hate it. Like, I might sound like a little girl. I hate running. And to top it off, I ran, and for some reason I wasn't tracking my location. So I got the time. I don't know how many miles, if I did a mile, you know what I'm saying? Not really good at cutting. Unless it does the job. Diced. Kind of. Not really, but I'm getting it, okay? Can't even see what I'm cutting. Whoa! I'm no professional cutter. I actually don't like cutting. I'd rather use like a machine or something. There you go. Yeah. Cutting machine activated. If it doesn't make it sound, you say no. It's full time. It's full time. Dang it. It's 5. Oh my gosh. I'm not doing it. Oh my gosh, why is this so difficult? Okay, that's a cut. I made such a mess. Disappointed in myself. Now I've got to do 6 ounces of ground turkey. Oh man. Gotta fill it up. And it'll be 8 ounces. Okay. So all I'm missing for this is the beans, which I cooked on I boiled on high for a few minutes, and then I let it sit. Probably has like 5 more minutes for a total of 40 minutes. I'm gonna rinse it, and then I'm gonna cook it again for about another 40 minutes, and then it should be ready. And by then, I should be in my second meal, which is protein and cereal. Oh no, eggs and turkey for my second meal. Okay, surprise, surprise, I was using the wrong beans, the ones that takes like 2 days to cook, you know? Just swapped them out for some regular canned black beans. I think I'm gonna add a garlic in there. Oh my gosh, I gotta peel it. Oh wait, I'm peeling it. Come on. Add a knife. I don't recommend this unless you're a professional. You know what? Oh my gosh. You know what? I didn't even really wanted that sliced anyways. Yeah. Oh man, I missed. Usually you should cut your garlic up more than this, but I'm a very indecisive human being and decided to add it last second. Do better. I did drain it afterwards. Damn, is this whole can one serving? Wow. I barely have any beans left, and that's just one serving. Oh my gosh. I gotta do more grocery shopping. This is craziness. That's a lot of food.